have received a package. I call it my first PR package. I don't have that many people on my channel, but thank you for those who are watching. I'm Mona Joanna. Thank you, thank you. I'm glad that you are here. And I haven't opened this yet because it will be a surprise for me as if for you. Kind of have an idea what it is. This is from my friend, Heather, from Holy Cow Pretty. Yes, it's fine. It has a little cute sticker on it. And let's open this thing. Such a bad opener of packages. Alright, I got a few things in here. Oh, look at her business card. Holy cow, pretty. It's nice. It has a cow on it. All kinds of moisturizers. So I got my like a kit for LIPSENSE and see what color she gave me. I got Crimson, which is a really nice kind of berry red color. And then it has moisturizing gloss and remover. Because if you don't know anything about LIPSENSE, I don't know if you have been under the rock, but they claim that if you put it on, basically no hurricane, no condition can remove that from your lips. They are not very cheap. What I read, they can range like I think $50. They are definitely not on the cheaper side, so I always hesitated. Plus I always think like something that permanent is going to be good for my lips. So they claim it is smudge proof, waterproof, kiss proof. And I guess I have a prepared little thing here. What do you expect? When you put it on, you will be a little tingling sensation, which will go away. And Heather told me a lot of different things, like your lips have to get used to the new LIPSENSE, and sometimes you will go through exfoliation period when, because it's a different formula than any lipsticks and lip glosses that you have. Sometimes the lips may chap a little bit. So LIPSENSE works as an exfoliator, which I just said, and will break down wax buildup and cleanse your lips. Using any other product may start the exfoliation process again. I guess that's the catch. Once you start liptiful, that's a wrong video. Once you start LIPSENSE, you just have to continue LIPSENSE. And it will last longer after exfoliation. Sugar scrub might help speed up the process. Yes, I recommend scrubs. I do them a few times a week. Sometimes when I get really lazy, once a week. So LIPSENSE repairs dry, cracked lips over time. You have to layer multiple, colors if you wanna do a custom color. It is temperature sensitive, so extremely hot and cold is not good for it. So this is Houston, so it gets hot. Don't leave it in your car. Well, yeah, not in Houston. Apply gloss before and after meals throughout the day. And the gloss has a shea butter and vitamin E, so it makes it very moisturizing. Maybe because the lipstick dries it, I don't know. Clean and dry your lips. Ooh, let me get a baby wipe. If you don't know my secret weapon, baby wipes. That's right. I think Marlena, the makeup geek, started on me on that. I don't know if baby wipes can be used on the lips because I just said shake LIPSENSE a lot. Ooh, I'm gonna shake that baby. That's a good workout right there. Oh, shake it, shake it, shake it. For even distribution. Okay, with lips, because instructions are important. I'm gonna put them. Look at this for this. Oh my god, multitasking. Okay, with lips parted and taut, apply a thin liner in one motion. All right, apply. Ah. Oh yeah, I feel the tingling. If I'm really bad at applying this, I'm sorry, Heather. Oh. Okay, got the edges. Whoa. I was drying. Then I go back and forth. Uh-oh. Well, don't do what I just did. And don't wrap the lips together. Oh crap, I can't talk. Also, you can use the applicator tip to outline lips first. Oh, I wish I should read that first. Oh well, we'll work with what we got. Waterlines, yes. Keep lips separated and let it dry for a few seconds. Hello. Let's apply the second layer. Kind of messed up. This does take some skill. I'll be honest, I am not very good at applying this because I'm so used to spreading it around. This is not the same. All right, I think that's a few seconds. But honestly, I gotta just learn how to apply it because I'll keep, moving it over and over. So let's see, try it here. I feel the tingling, and it's hard to talk because, so stick your lips together. However, if you're watching this, I'm sorry I didn't apply the quite exactly like you said. I'm trying, okay? Apply gloss and then reapply it as you go. I might have to do this again later when I actually learn how to do this correctly, but this is my first try, I'm sure a lot of you will do this or worse than me if you first try Liptiful because it's not like any other thing you have used. So learn from my mistakes. All right. So we have a gloss, and that one has the moisturizing because I did feel the tingling, and I felt I feel my lips really being dry. I mean, it's a beautiful color though. Thank you for that color, girl. Love it. So let me put this on. Doesn't really say in instructions how long I'm supposed to wait between it, so I assume 10 seconds would be enough. Ooh. There's a nice scent to it. Okay. I don't know the best job where I did. It's weird to put a red color when you cannot apply a lip liner because you gotta, I'm not very good at making straight lines with lipstick, so you can see I messed up here. Don't judge me. Try. So I will check back later when I eat and see how this will hold up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon, I guess. Just do testing. Bye. Whew. It is late. I did put on the lipstick late anyway, but it's been over 5 hours. I ate, I drank water, lemon water. But you can see that I still have lipstick on. It'll pull away from like the edges. There's some still in my waterline, but the biggest thing I see is pulling from the edges in here. That's weird because it kind of feels like it's drying, but when I feel my lips, feel very smooth. I haven't reapplied the gloss at all. FYI, I just wanted to see how the lipstick itself performed. And honestly, even though it's pulling away, and obviously you can see how unevenly I applied, and that's the part that I gotta learn how to apply. It has done a pretty decent job. I don't think I had a liquid lipstick, and I tried many, that has done such a good job. It has not flaked off or anything. There's no tumbling action, when you have the little particles on your lips coming off. None of that. Feels comfortable with the lips. Like I said, just a little drying, but I think if you do lip gloss, it will work. And what I hear, the more you use it, it's gonna last longer. And also, I need to practice the application of it. Overall, for my first impression, because this is my first impression of the LIPSENSE, I do like it. I do like it. I'm gonna be honest. First impression wise. However, because it's recommended not to use other lipsticks, I don't know if I could just do LIPSENSE. I know they have a lot of colors, but I have about, I would say, 60 lipsticks and lip glosses, maybe more. So parting ways with those, spending the money I spent on that, it would be really hard. And now, if you do not have a big repertoire of lipsticks and you only use few, if you want to invest money in LIPSENSE, I think that's a good investment. For me personally, it's just partying with our lipsticks only for the sake of one, and not a thing I would do. So I still think it works really well, even though you use our lipsticks, but I would say I recommend exfoliating your lips, doing the sugar scrub before, because I think it will help with longevity. But if you want me to do a follow-up videos once I learn how to use LipSense better, please let me know, because I really would like to know if you want me to do more videos. Comment below, give me a thumb up, subscribe if you like this video. See you next time. Bye!